Solar is really the first step for us in a long-term plan. So we got solar and a heat pump simultaneously, but our long-term plan to convert to solar is to get an induction stove as well as a water heater heat pump.
As we were doing research, we kept coming across Solar Bill. And we found it, the reviews were always positive. There was always a sense of being educated by the employees and everyone selling the product there. And so when we met with Bill the first time, we were really impressed by the level of education of informing us, answering our questions, showing us the pros and the cons, that we were able to make the best decision for ourselves and our future, while taking that time to really buy into a product that was a superior product.
We looked at solar as both an investment and a savings. It allowed us to create an asset for our property that also helped us have more stability and predictability for our bills for the future in the instability of the gas and energy market. So solar was just kind of a win-win for us to have a better plan for our financial future.
When talking to Bill, he told us how he has this product in his own house. And that was really something that we found was important. He took the time to answer all of our questions, to work with us, and the process from start to finish was seamless.